I want to say how happy I am with Rolf. He's been upgraded from tambourine and shaker to tambourine and shaker, cowbell, tom, and some other instruments. How do you guys feel about hearing a brand new song?
This one's it's a bit of a love song. This one's a bit of a love song, but it's a love song with a twist. I repeat, with a twist.
This song, we actually wrote this song in late last year about the douchebags in our lives. Do you guys have any douchebags that you know? Alright, I know a couple of douchebags. I'm actually surrounded by 3 right now.
Hey Ben.
Hey, rude.
I'll win.
No, but we're actually, when you mean douchebags, you're talking like those dudes who are like, hey baby.
Hey baby, check out my muscles.
Yeah, that kind of shit.
They point out the little guy just to make himself feel great. That's one of the kind of douchebags.
Not just the guys either. There's like those girls that go and get like a fake spray tan every 2 weeks. Like Oompa Loompas.
You're talking about those whores, yeah?
That's probably not the only fake thing that Ben might have. Anyway, this song's dedicated to those douchebags. I hope the douchebag guy finds a douchebag girl and they fall happily in douchebag love.
This song is called Douchebag Love.
Douchebag love. Douchebag love. Douchebag love.
Clicks.
Douchebag love. She's a bitch, she knows it, and so's a douchebag friend. I'm glad that I got out when I could. He's a dick, she likes it. They go out every night. I'm still not sure I understand the hype. When money is your Cinderella, douchebag love, and shiny things keep you together, douchebag love. When you break up every Friday night, no, she's too dumb to say goodbye. I'm glad I'm not a part of that douchebag love. Whoa, yeah, every moment is a show. Whoa, and you think that we don't know, side by side forever, 2 dumb hearts they beat together. I just don't give a damn about that douchebag love. That douchebag love. Douchebag love. She's a queen, she owns it. They follow her every move, like little tiny copies, all the same. He's a king, he knows it. Keeps a mirror by his side. Takes daddy's Maserati for a ride. When popular keeps you together, douchebag love. 'Cause you're not exactly smart or clever, douchebag love. Just hoping everyone will see ya looking like your Brangelina, man. I find it kinda sad, that douchebag love. Whoa, yeah, every moment is a show. Whoa, and you think that we don't know, side by side forever, 2 dumb hearts they beat together. I just don't give a damn about that douchebag love. Oh, that douchebag love. That douchebag love. Douchebag love. Douchebag love. Whoa, yeah, every moment is a show. Whoa, and you think that we don't know, side by side forever, 2 dumb hearts they beat together. I just don't give a damn about that douchebag love. Douchebag